Alright, so we have all been in a place where we wake up in the morning feeling all groggy and in a very bad mood. Now most of the time this is due to our alarms disrupting our sleep cycles. When a sleep cycle gets disrupted, it causes all kinds of discomfort to the body and mind. Now also there are days when you wake up on your own feeling very pleasant and in a happy mood. This happens when you wake up after a complete sleep cycle. So in this video I will show you a website and an app which will help you perform the complex calculations of sleep cycle and help you decide the perfect time to set an alarm so you don't wake up feeling groggy ever again. So now let's check the website first. So we have opened up Google. Let's type in sleep timer, hit enter. We'll go ahead and click this website. I'll leave the links in the description below. So we have opened up the website. It gives us three options. The first one asks you to enter the time you want to wake up at. The second one tells you if you go to bed now, what are the times you should be getting up at. And the last one asks you to input a bedtime so that appropriate wake up times are calculated. So let me go over and check the first website. Let's say we want to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning and hit calculate. And so these are the likely times you should be getting to bed by. So 9 a.m., 10:30 p.m., 12:30 a.m. and 1:30 a.m. are the times you should go to bed by. Also it mentions that average human takes 14 minutes to fall asleep. So plan your sleep accordingly. Now let's check the other options. We'll hit on calculate again. And this option shows you if you go to bed now, what time should you be waking up. So these are the times. Well, no one is falling asleep right now in the middle of the day. So let's go back. And now let's check the last option. Let's say we want to go to bed at 11 o'clock at night and hit calculate. And so these are the likely times: 12:30 a.m., 2 a.m., 3:30 a.m., 5 a.m., 6:30 a.m. and 8 a.m. are the times we should be waking up at. Also, a good night's sleep consists of 5 to 6 complete sleep cycles. This is indicated by the color labels going gray all the way to green. So a greener will mean 5 to 6 complete cycles of sleep, whereas a gray color would mean 1 or 2 complete cycles which are not appropriate for a good night's sleep. So that was all about the website. Now let's head over to the mobile phone and check out the mobile application. So let's check out the mobile app. We'll go into Play Store. Over here we'll type in sleep time. We already have it. Let's click on this. We'll click on the second application. I've already installed it, so I'll hit open. So right off the bat you'll see the times to wake up if you go to sleep now. We don't want that at the moment, so let's check at a time. So let's say we want to go to bed at 11 p.m. at night. Hit on done and see you'll get all these times, and the cycles will be mentioned like 1 cycle, 2 cycles, 3 cycle, 4, 5 and 6 cycles. And mind you, between the website and this application there is a 15 minutes gap. This is because this app already takes into account the 15 minutes which takes a person to fall asleep from the time he goes to bed and the times he fall asleep. So now let's say we want to wake up at a particular time. So let's say we want to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. So we'll click done, and these are the times you should be going to bed by. And over here let me go into the themes. You can have appropriate themes. Choose a color to your liking, and also let's check out the settings. We can change between the 24-hour format and the 12-hour format. Enable the time to fall asleep. This is what I was talking about. It's set to 15 minutes right now, so the 15 minutes gets incorporated into the wake up time. And the other settings you don't have anything much to change. So that's how easy it is to set a particular time for you to wake up, and no more groggy mornings, and you'll always wake up with full energy. So that's how you decide the correct wake up times for you using the website and the mobile application. I'll be sure to leave the links to both the website and the mobile application in the description below. Be sure to check them out. Now a disclaimer, since all our sleep patterns are not the same, so the wake up times might not match with you. And there's only one way to find out, is by using it. And since most of the people have left positive feedbacks, I'm sure it's worth checking out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to come up with more interesting videos like this. Until that time, happy sleeping. Bye.